Today I'll show you how to hide photos in the gallery on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. Open the standard gallery app, not Google Photos. Press and hold to select the photos you want to hide. Add to album at the bottom and choose Private Album. Swipe down in the album to view hidden items and confirm. The photos are now added to the private album. To view them, go to Albums, press and hold, and swipe out from the bottom. Enter your privacy password to access the private album. You need to be logged into your Xiaomi account to use this feature. Thank you for watching. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.